Baa Baa Black Sheep. No, it's a white sheep. Oh, sorry. There's the black sheep.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, where do you go?
Running through the field nice and slow. Fluffy little wool, soft and sweet. Tap your hooves to the happy beat. One for fun, one for play. Baa Baa Black Sheep, say hello. Wave your tail and off you go. Look at all the wool. Hop around the field so free. See the flowers and the tree. Join the fun and dance along.
Fluffy wool in shining light sparkles softly, oh so bright.
Happy friends all laugh and play with the sheep the whole bright day. See the rainbow up so high, colors shining in the sky. Oh, this is a red sheep. Oh, we've never seen a red one, friends, have you?